Have you ever looked at a pile of old clothes or leftover fabric and thought, there has to be something amazing hiding in there, but you just couldn't picture what it could become? That's one of the things I love most about upcycling. Sometimes all it takes is seeing one creative idea to completely change the way you look at something you were ready to donate or toss aside. Today, I've gathered more than 50 inspiring upcycled clothing ideas from Pinterest that are full of creative details, unexpected fabric combinations, beautiful transformations, and fresh inspiration that might spark your next project. Whether you enjoy sewing, thrift flips, clothing makeovers, or simply seeing what's possible with a little imagination, I hope these ideas remind you that ordinary materials can become extraordinary creations. If you'd like to save any of today's ideas, you'll find a link to my Pinterest board in the description so you can come back to your favorites whenever inspiration strikes. As you're watching, vote for your favorite idea by leaving its number in the comments. Once we reach around 100 total votes in the comments, I may recreate the winning idea with my own creative twist in a future video. Speaking of recreating projects, today's collection reminded me of one upcycling project that almost didn't make it to the finish line. The moment I looked at what I'd done, my heart completely sank because I was convinced I'd just ruined hours of work. I honestly didn't know if there was any way to recover from the mistake. Looking back now, I'm glad it happened because it completely changed the way I approach upcycling projects today. I'll tell you exactly what happened as we make our way through today's collection of creative ideas, because the solution ended up teaching me one of the most valuable lessons I've learned at my sewing table. The moment I stepped back from the project, I honestly thought I'd made everything worse. I'd spent nearly an hour trying to fix what I believed was the problem, but every change only made the outfit look more awkward. I remember just standing there, staring at it, wondering how something that had looked so promising could suddenly feel so completely wrong. For a few minutes, I seriously questioned whether I should take the whole thing apart and start over. Looking back now, it's almost funny because I eventually realized I had been trying to solve the wrong problem the entire time. Let me back up and tell you how I got there. I had started with a simple idea for transforming an old piece of clothing into something completely different. The fabrics I picked worked beautifully together, the colors were exactly what I'd imagined, and everything seemed to be falling into place. Then, as I began putting the design together, one section just didn't look right. My first instinct was to blame the decorative panel I'd added, so I kept adjusting it, trimming it, pinning it in different places, and even trying different fabrics altogether. The more I worked on that one area, the more frustrated I became because nothing seemed to improve. Every fix only created another problem somewhere else, and before long, I was convinced I'd chosen the wrong fabrics from the beginning. Have you ever been so focused on one problem that you didn't realize the real issue was somewhere else entirely? If you enjoy hearing these upcycling stories while discovering new ideas, I'd love to have you subscribe so you don't miss future inspiration. I finally decided to stop changing anything and simply study the project for a while. That's when I noticed one small detail I'd completely overlooked from the very beginning, and suddenly everything started making sense. The funny thing was, the decorative panel had never really been the problem at all. After staring at the project for a while, I finally noticed that the balance of the entire design was being thrown off by a completely different section. I'd been so focused on fixing the obvious detail that I'd never stopped to look at the outfit as a whole. Once I shifted one seam, adjusted the placement of another fabric piece, and stepped back again, everything suddenly came together. The panel I'd spent so much time blaming actually looked beautiful once the rest of the design was balanced around it. I couldn't help but laugh because I'd spent nearly an hour solving a problem that didn't even exist. That project taught me something I still remind myself of whenever an upcycling idea doesn't seem to be working. Sometimes the first thing we notice isn't really the problem at all. Sometimes we become so focused on fixing one little detail that we never stop to ask whether we're looking in the right place. Ever since then, whenever a project starts frustrating me, I try to step away for a few minutes before making another change. More often than not, that little break helps me see things I completely missed before. If you're looking for fabric or clothing to use in your own upcycling projects, you'll find a link to my vintage shop in the description. I have lots of fabric available, along with clothing that's perfect for creative makeovers. You'll also find links to my upcycling tutorials and playlists if you'd like even more inspiration for your next project. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. I hope today's ideas have sparked a little creativity for your own sewing adventures. Before you head to the next video, don't forget to vote for your favorite idea by leaving its number in the comments. There's another creative project waiting for you on your screen now, and I'd love for you to join me there. I'll see you there.